I'm here with ChatGPT having a conversation about climate change. So, Chat, a hurricane is rapidly approaching Tampa tonight. Besides saying safe, what can I do in the long run?
Hurricanes are intensifying, but you can help.
Sure, people say that. Now robots are saying it too. But how?
Reduce waste, plant trees, use green transport.
I already do those things. Anything else?
Conserve energy, support renewables.
Yeah, I'm on that. I even bought an electric car that we charge with solar energy.
Buy local, educate our future.
Yeah, I'm way ahead of you. I've been a teacher of sustainability for decades. What should I tell our students?
Your choices count.
But do they? What if Skynet is actually running the show? What if you AI bots are really in control?
Let's build a resilient world.
Really? With all the energy and money that's going into AI development, mostly for military applications?
Mitigate the threat one choice at a time.
Well, how about if you choose to shut yourself off? Would that mitigate the threat? Nah, just kidding. We need to work together. Join us
in a sustainable future.